Teddy Watt. 5 seconds to go. A 20-yard pass, sideline, 15-yard pass, stops the clock with 1 second to go. Field goal would win it.
Up in the air.
Going deep.
They're hoping.
Tip, caught, touchdown. You're kidding. The Vikings, they win it. Time is run out. Minnesota, they are the champions. Ahmad Rashad.
Gerard steps up. Fires. Mike Sims Walker. Knocked down. Oh, he caught it! Oh! Unbelievable! Mike Thomas! Touchdown Jags! Ball game! 50 yards! Whoa!
But I think, can the receivers get far enough down the field?
Rodgers in trouble.
It's going to get there.
He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone, it is caught for the win. Richard Rodgers with a walk-off touchdown. A game ender for the Packers.
The Falcons with Hodge, Bailey, and Johnson all to the left side. 2 seconds remain. 49ers will come with a 3-man rush. Bartkowski to throw. He is going long down the near sideline. It's going to be a jump ball, and it is pulled down by Billy Johnson. Johnson inside the 10, 5. He is down. He is. Give it to him. He's in. Touchdown! Touchdown, Atlanta. Billy Johnson. It's a touchdown. No time on the clock. The Falcons have won it. They pulled it from nowhere. The Falcons have won it. Big Ben left, and it worked.
Full moon over Atlanta Fulton County Stadium, and Shoes did his thing.
Billy White Shoes Johnson, a touchdown.
Left. The Packers playing at the goal line as Wilson scrambles to keep it alive. The game's final play is a Wilson lob to the end zone, which is fought for by Tate with Jennings simultaneous. Who has it? Who they give it to? Touchdown! One guy goes up, touchdown. The other said no time. Has to be looked at because it's a score. See the one guy go up, touchdown, and the other go time out like it's a pick.
How does M.D. Jennings not get credit for the interception? I have no idea.
It's the game on this
After
call.
further review, the call on the field stands. Touchdown.